The Canadian split pea soup is a beloved classic that warms both body and soul and a great way to use up the leftover ham bone. Start off by slicing your celery, carrots, onion, and garlic, making sure they're in a pretty small dice. Now in our Dutch oven, we'll drizzle a little olive oil and then start cooking your vegetables for about 10 to 15 minutes and then adding our garlic. Sprinkle with a bit of salt and then we'll add all of our split peas, stirring them in and then adding the water. Add your bay leaves to the soup and then place your ham bone on top. Bring your soup to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and place the lid on the Dutch oven. Now let it simmer for 2 hours. When ready, take the bay leaves out of the soup and then the ham bone, place it on a plate, take the meat off the bone and break it apart. At this point you can use an immersion blender to get it a smoother texture before returning the meat to the soup. And just like that, you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.